In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Dorik. Start by heading to the Dorik login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google. If you're already logged into your browser, you'll see your Google accounts. Pick the one you use with Dorik and proceed. This will take you into your Dorik dashboard. Once you're in, locate the project you want to work on and click Edit Site. That opens the site builder where you can add and arrange content on your page. If you manage multiple sites or pages, make sure you're editing the correct one before moving on. Inside the builder, look for the Add Elements panel. This is where Dorik keeps all the building blocks. Find the image element, then drag and drop it onto your workspace exactly where you want the GIF to appear. You can always move it later, so don't worry about precise placement right away. With the new image block selected, open its settings and choose Upload Image. Dorik will open the Media Manager. Click Upload Image again, then choose Upload File and select your GIF from your computer. Dorik supports .bif files, and they'll animate automatically once inserted. After the upload finishes, select the file and confirm to insert it into your image block. You'll see the GIF appear on the canvas. From here, use the right side panel to fine-tune how it looks. Adjust size to keep the file manageable. Large GIFs can slow down page loads. Setting a width in pixels or percentage is a simple way to keep it responsive. Alignment controls let you center to the GIF or align it to the left or right within its container. You can add spacing with margin and padding and use border radius or shadows if you want a softer, card-like feel. For accessibility and SEO, add meaningful alt text that describes what the GIF shows. If the image looks stretched or cropped, check Fit Options in the Style panel and set a max width so it scales nicely on smaller screens. Dorik's preview will show the animation, and on the live page it will loop just like it does in your editor. That's all it takes. Log in, open your site, add an image element, upload your GIF, and refine it with the right side settings. With these adjustments, your GIF will look clean, load efficiently, and enhance your page without distracting from your content. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Dorik.